What's up, traders? Welcome back to another mind-blowing session where I reveal the most powerful AI trading strategy that's taking the market by storm. Today, I'm showing you how I turned just $300 into a massive $32,490 using my ultimate swing trading AI bot. This isn't luck, and it's definitely not a scam. This is the power of AI-driven market analysis that detects perfect trade setups and maximizes profits like never before. If you're tired of inconsistent trades, blowing up accounts, or missing big opportunities, watch this entire video because I'll not only show you live trading proof, but also break down how this AI bot works and how you can use it today. Now, let's get straight into the action. All right, we're starting this session with just $300 in the account. The AI bot is scanning multiple markets, detecting price momentum, and analyzing historical patterns to lock in the best trades. We just got a signal. The bot has detected a high-probability swing trade based on volume spikes and trend reversals. This is where smart money is moving. Trade locked in at $300. Let's watch how this plays out. The bot is constantly analyzing market shifts, eliminating human emotions, and adjusting strategies in real time. And boom! First trade secured, and our balance is up to $1,120. That's a 270% gain on the first move. Let's keep this momentum going. The bot has detected another massive opportunity, and this time, we're reinvesting smartly, scaling up to $1,000 in the next trade. The AI doesn't just follow indicators blindly, it adapts in real time, reading market conditions faster than any human trader can. Trade is live. And there it is, another win, pushing our balance to $4,500. This is the power of automated precision trading. Now that we've built a solid base, we're going for the big trade. AI has identified a perfect swing trade setup. The market is moving exactly as predicted. AI has identified a resistance break, and boom, cured in just one move. From just $300 to over $12,800. And we're still not done. All right, we're going for one final trade, and this one's big. AI has locked onto a long-term trend shift, and we're all in with $12,800. The AI bot has identified a high-probability breakout, and we're riding this wave. Waiting, and there it is, another winning trade, and we've hit $32,490. From just $300 to over $32,000 using pure AI precision. This is the ultimate swing trading strategy powered by AI. Now, the real question is, are you ready to start winning like this? This AI trading bot is designed to give you the edge in the market, making consistent profits with smart, calculated trades. And the best part? We have limited time offers running right now on our website. Plus, we offer free demo sessions to show you how this bot works in real time. Click the link below now and start trading smarter. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's keep winning together. See you in the next one. Blast off money.